Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide the chat on a TikTok live video. Okay, so the process is very straightforward and simple, so I'm just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to go and open up TikTok right now. Then you'll be on your home page. Then you can see, I'm just going to go to any live video on TikTok by tapping that live button at the top left hand corner. That will open up a live video. As you can see, it is playing and you can see the chat is moving on the live video. Now, if you want to get rid of that chat, the process is quite simple. All you need to do is swipe to the left with your finger on the TikTok live video. So if I do that, you can see it now disappears. And if you want to get it back, you can move your finger to the right, swipe to the right, and you can get it that way. Some people say that that doesn't work for them. And I read a post on Reddit saying that if you tap on the share button, so that is located right over here. If you tap on that share button, you should see a button that says clear chat or clear comments or something like that. I'm not 100% sure if that will work for you, but that will be another way of how you could clear the chat on TikTok live. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.